dozens of realtors demanding money they've been owed.
If you're in Ontario, you got some issues.
The Canadian economy already contending with inflation, tariffs, and a cost of living crisis.
I have to basically beg people to come, just even look at the house.
We're watching the country's biggest asset class freeze in real time while buyers vanish.
There are some AI images that are so obviously fake, and then there are others that can easily trick people.
You have to check the authority. Who is it who is sharing the image?
And just over 70% even worry AI can threaten human life.